guilty smile.
You want to know what's new when you are gone?
Let's find out.
Here we go. You will know because you have newspaper to read. Welcome to your room. And if you recognize, but here it's a bed. Here's the sink, the mirror up there, the toothbrush right here, the towels, the door somewhere, the closet, Guilty Nicole, the desk with all your books. It's like Christmas morning. You have to open everything. And the window. You've been officially pranked. The ninja are back. Boom.